A silver alert has been issued for Maricopa County. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. The Avondale Police Department is looking for 70-year-old Jodean Hoover. Jodean is a white female 5 feet 4 inches tall, 120 pounds, with brown eyes and gray hair. Jodean was last seen wearing a gray hoodie, gray pants, and white slippers. Jodean was last seen on January 3, 2024, at 1,200 hours leaving her home on foot in the 200 East Lawrence Boulevard in Avondale, Arizona. Jodean suffers from a medical condition which may cause her to become lost or easily confused. Please contact the Avondale Police Department or 911 with any information. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.